It's been 5 months since you went away, left without a word, nothing to say. If I was the one who gave you my heart and soul, but it wasn't good enough for you, no. So I asked God. God sent me an angel from the heavens above. Send me an angel to heal my broken heart from being in love. 'Cause all I do is cry. God sent me an angel to wipe the tears from my eyes. And I know it might sound crazy, but after all that I still loved you. You wanna come back in my life, but now there's something that I had to do. I had to tell the one that I once adored that they can't have my love no more. My heart can't take no more lies, and my eyes are all out of cries. So God,